So this is how I make my own hermit crab tank humidifier. So I did my humidity. Well, first of all, this is my humidifier. It has to be a cold humidifier, and a hot one just like squirts out hot boiling humidity. So what you want to do, oh crap. So what I did, I just hold up. Oh, okay. So I just got a water bottle, cut it across there. I'm trying to do this with the iPad in my hand. It's not that easy. And then cut it. Crap. Hold up. I had one of my broken ones over here. Well, I was gonna tell you. So, like a cut up bottle with half of it, just lid, no, like the neck, and then the lid. I just took off the lid, got some, I don't know, just some piping, put it in here. Can't aim good. They're right here, and boom, I got 2 crabs. That's Casper, and Krabby is over there. I don't know if you can see him. Here's the tank. Oh, here's the fogger in action. Just leaks in fog. And it does leak out here. That's all good. Leak in fog. Okay, and keep some vents so the humidity can just flow out. And yeah, it's not that hard. And oh yeah, tell me if my tank setup is all bad, cause just in case. There we go. It's fogged all the way. So yeah, that's this whole video. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.